Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a pet in Build-A-Boat for treasure. First of all, place 3 springs on top of each other. Once that you've done that, delete the other springs. Now place 7 hinges on one side of the spring. Now place any block on top of the hinges. This will be our pet. Now build 4 studs up from the spring. Now build a seat on top of the blocks facing away from the pet. Once that you have done that, sit on the seat and place a cake. Make all of the blocks collision off. Then unselect the pet and make it all transparent. Now unanchor everything and then you have your pet. Okay guys, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like, and bye bye.